Bhuna Chicken Pav sliders. Let's start the recipe. You have to take chicken thigh, cut it into small cube sizes. Now we'll marinate the chicken. I'll be adding 4 to 5 spoons of curd which has less water content, degi lal mirch, that is red chili powder, half spoon cumin powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, half spoon garam masala, 1/4 spoon of turmeric, fenugreek leaves, roasted fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Marinate the chicken well. The marination has been mixed properly. Now keep it aside for at least half an hour. Till the time our chicken is being marinated, we'll make the tadka. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 5 to 6 black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 big black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, cinnamon stick, maize leaf and star anise. Now we'll add 3 chopped onions and we'll cook them until they turn golden brown. The onions have changed the color. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste to it. Let them cook until they change the color, golden brown. Add a splash of water. Add 1 chopped green chili. The onions have turned golden brown. Half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon degi mirch, that's red chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, half spoon cumin seed powder. Add a splash of water. Let the masalas cook properly. You see the oil on the sides? This shows the masalas have been cooked. Now I'll be adding tomato puree to it, freshly homemade tomato puree. Blanch the tomatoes and make a puree of them. If you don't have the fresh tomato puree at home, you can use the Tetra pack which you get in the market. You can use that tomato puree also. I'll be adding little salt to it. Now cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Let's check the tadka. Perfect. Now it's time to add the chicken. We'll add the marinated chicken to the gravy. Mix it well. Amazing texture. See? Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. After cooking it on the high flame, lower the flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Cover it and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Perfect. You see the oil on the top. This shows it's been cooking properly. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of curd in this. Lower the flame. Stir it continuously. Keep stirring it. Fresh coriander leaves. Roasted fenugreek leaf. Mix it well. I'll add my favorite ingredient, a dollop of butter. That's a taste enhancer and gives glaze to the gravy, adds texture to the dish. So always add a dollop of butter when you're cooking such dish. Cover it and cook it on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check the chicken. Perfect. See the color and the texture of our chicken. The oil on the top. Our chicken is totally ready. Now we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of fresh cream to it. Our bhuna chicken is ready to get plated on the pav. Just cook it for a minute. Squeeze half lemon. Switch off the flame. Fresh coriander leaves to go. Now let's do the plating. I have taken the pavs, cut them into half. Let's apply the green chutney, that is mint sauce. A layer of cheese. Let's place the chicken now. Wow, it looks yummy. Perfect texture. Chicken bhuna is on the paos now. Grate the cheese on the chicken. Add some onions on top. Amazing it looks. Apply a little green chutney on the other side of the pav. And your bhuna chicken pav is ready to serve. Add some coriander leaves. Place it. Your sliders are ready. Our bhuna chicken pav sliders are ready to serve. Aren't they look tempting and yummy? Our dish is ready to serve. You can serve it as an evening snack also. And if you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query, DM me at my Instagram handle Priyanka_Bhatia. Do try the dish. It's really yummy. Enjoy.